video, I'm going to show you how to trade the double top, double bottom in a profitable way. And I'm going to reveal some secrets you've not seen anywhere on how to outsmart the market and to become profitable with the double top and double bottom pattern. If you want to find out, stay tuned. Let's say we had a strong uptrend to the upside, then the market dropped, then it rejected here, then pushed to the upside to create an equal high here, then it dropped again. This is what's called a double top, where you have equal highs, equal highs, and the neckline is broken. This is the neckline here. This is the first high, this is the other high. That's why it's called double top. Double is what? Two top, just mean two top. This is the double top. Let me write it out. This is the double top. Let's make it white. Double top. This is the double top. Then the neckline must be broken. It must be broken before it's complete. It's not a double top. If we just have equal high, it's not yet a double top. Then the neckline must be broken before you have a double top. No. Then a lot of traders take their entries here when they just see the breakouts, but that's not right. That's not the right way to trade the double bottom, because trading is just all about probabilities. And what I teach here on my channel is on how to have the higher probability in the market, because you can only win the market when you have high probability setup, when you have a higher probability in the market. We only take our trade when we see a retest. We have on the norms, the condition have been met, we have two equal highs, then the neckline got broken, then we need, after the neckline got broken, we need to see a retest to the neckline. If there's no retest to the neckline, don't enter the trade. Don't enter the trade, because I've traded this pattern for a long while and I know what I'm saying out of experience, and we will still go on the chart and see what I'm saying. To me, this is not a double top. It's only a double top if it's like this. There's a reversal and you take your entry from the rejection. You wait for a rejection, then you take your entry, then you ride the price downwards. This is a double top to me. Let me show you guys double bottom. It's still the same thing but just opposite. Let's look at it. Let's take the double bottom. We had a strong downtrend, then a rejection, then price reverses downward again, then we had equal lows here, then price broke the neckline and pushes to the upside. Let's draw our let's connect the double bottom together. So we have equal lows here. Then what happened again? The neckline got broken. So our neckline got broken. Then we had the reversal. Remember, if there's no reversal, no entry. No reversal, no entry. So we had the reversal that came to test the neckline. Then we wait for confirmations. Then we enter a trade and we ride it to the upside. That's it, guys. Let me write this: double bottom, text, double bottom. What's this one? This is a double bottom. Let's go to our chart. Let me show you guys practical examples. And this is a practical example right now. Let me show you guys. We had equal lows here, so we identify the low. Then let me show you guys that this is a double bottom. We have the move to the downside, then a bounce off this resistance zone, then this is the neckline. Then bounced up here from this zone again and bounced off that resistance point, then pushed to the upside. That is that. Let's draw our distance first, our neckline. So this is our neckline here. This is our neckline. This is our what? Neckline. If you can look at this very well, You can see it pushed to the upside, then it did what? Came back to retest our neckline before pushing to the upside. We are going to enter our entry. We are not taking our entry from here, from this point. No, we wait for a retest. Then we enter our trade here. Then when you enter your trade, I want us to be profitable. Understand? I want my traders, people that watch my videos, I want them to be profitable. I advise you to just go for a 1 to 2 risk reward ratio, because me, I give out high probability trades, because this setup alone has an 85% win rate if done as I told you. You don't trade like others. You need to trade different, because by default 90% of traders lose their funds. So what does that tell you? You just have to be different for you to what be profitable. We enter from the retest here, so we enter a long here from the retest. Then our stop loss will be below that candle that created that move, below that low. Just go for your 1 to 2. Don't be greedy. 1 to 2. Then you're out of the market. Profit. Out of the market. Simple. Let's take another example. This is another opportunity here. We had equal highs here. Equal highs. Then we can see the M shape. I don't need to draw it again. We can see we have a double bottom. Let me just draw it for you guys to see. Let me just draw it for you guys to see. We have it move to the upside and created that M shape. Then it respected this high, this resistance point, then pushed downwards, broke the neckline. What do we have here? Let's identify the neckline that got broken. Let's look for. You see, it came back and touched our neckline. It created a rejection. Understand? And price dropped. So it created a rejection and price dropped. So we enter a short. You can decide to enter or decide to leave it, but you can still enter because it's still part of the plan. You can see that a rejection happened and it came in contact with our neckline. 1 to 2. Don't be greedy. Don't be greedy. You can see what happened here. The price, let me see what the price gave us here. The price gave us 1:3 before it reversed back. You see what I'm talking about? You see here, price gave us up to what? 1:5 or thereabout 6. But one thing about the market is that nobody knows what's going to happen. It's all about probabilities. The market can give you 1:5, 1:6, 1:10. But what is our main goal? Our main goal is to be profitable. You can have a strategy that gives 1:10 and you can still be in a loss. Understand? Your trading account can be reading minus. I'm saying it doesn't matter. It's not about that. It's about winning. And this, if you are winning more, it helps the psychology. It gives you confidence. A lot of positive things, guys. Please don't go for a high risk reward. Just stick with this, and you will thank me later. Let's take another example. We have another example here. We had equal highs here. Then this is the neckline, and it was broken. Let's identify the neckline. The neckline was broken. That's what we can see here. The neckline was broken, and you can see here, if it has been majority of the traders, when the neckline was broken here, they'll have got into the trade. I told you guys, if you didn't wait for the retest, you will have been in loss. This is how majority of traders lose their funds. They will have gotten here. You see, they will have gotten here. What happened? The price just pretended as if it was going down, and it went back. You see what happened, guys? I know what I'm saying. Follow that my strategy. To me, if there's no retest, it is not a double top or a double bottom. It's not, because I only talk about high probability trades. You want that 80%, 85% win rate, follow my strategy. No retest in a double bottom, no entry. If you are feeling the vibes, if you really like what I'm doing, comment below in the comment section and write no retest, no entry. Thank you, guys. Let's take one more example. And if you really like what I do, please subscribe and share this video. You understand? And if you have any questions, comment. Don't worry, I'm there for you guys. I'm there. I'm there. Let's take another example. This is another example here. This is an example here. We had equal highs here. We can bring it like this. We had equal highs here. This is the neckline, and it got broken. Let's identify the neckline. And what happened? We had the equal highs. Neckline got broken. It went down. And what happened? A retest happened, and you enter. Boom! Profit. Told you, profit. This thing is simple, guys. If you do it the right way, trading is simple and interesting if done the right way. It is that if you can be disciplined enough to not outgo your trading plan, you always win profit, and you will always thank yourself. 1 to 2 secured. You see what happened? And price fell very well. That's it for me today, guys. If you like this video, share, subscribe, comment, and anything you want to tell me, just let me know. And I have a Telegram group below for my signals. If you want to receive free signals, join the group. And that's it. Bye for now, guys.